Hello, all. God bless you. May God go before you, behind you, within you, all around you, and give you peace. And I'm just out enjoying peace and walking the park. And I just wanted to say, hey, sorry I'm a little out of breath, but I just wanted to share with you, and sorry, I don't want the sun in your face, and impart to you what God imparted to me. And that was just peace. May God give you peace beyond all understanding and comfort in knowing that whatever it is that is troubling you, keeping you up, making you anxious, making you stressed, know that God has you in His hands and that He is going to work it out. I have been, for the past 2 years, just living off of God's grace and mercy over my life and my family's life, and He has brought us through. I haven't had any worry for finances, even though I was worried. God took care of those things, whether it was a house, food to eat, car to drive. God has made a way for me and my family. And I want to impart that to you. And I also want to pray that God would restore you from any time that was stolen, any peace that was stolen out of your life. I want to pray for you and that God restore you, and you feel that healing and you feel that restorative process taking place over your life, because that's what He's given me and continues to give me. And I can no longer, have fear and worry over the clothes that I wear, what food will I eat. And the Bible tells us that not to worry about those things. And one of the prayers in which I prayed was, what is it like to know that kind of grace and abundance and provision that only comes from God? What does that look like? What does that feel like? And I have been receiving that for the past 2 years now, and I know it is for the rest of my life, for the however many more years that I'm on this earth and my children's children are on the earth, that we will not have to worry for anything. And we're just at the beginning of it for me and my family. And I wanted to share that with you on this peaceful Sunday. I'm here at the park, and I'm just going to be silent now for the next 10 seconds and just show you the peace that I'm enjoying. See? Even that woman is saying, praise the Lord. That woman was right on time, wasn't she? I don't know if you heard her, but she said, praise Jesus, praise the Lord. So, with that being said, if you're watching this, you and me are meant to be. And be safe, be kind, be wise. Bye-bye.